Welcome to PIPFA Online. Today's topic is solved question number 6 of Public Financial Management. Financial Rules and Budgeting. Application, Federal, Paper Winter 2022 PIPFA Public Sector. Question number 6. Explain tax fraction. What is its utilization? Calculate tax fraction if rate of sales tax is 17%. What is tax fraction? Tax fraction is a formula used to determine the sales tax amount included within a price that already incorporates sales tax. It helps in reverse calculating the tax component from the total, gross, price, utilization of tax fraction used for tax computation. Helps businesses and tax authorities determine the exact sales tax amount when the total price already includes tax. Tax adjustments and refunds. Essential for input tax adjustments and calculating the net payable tax. Audits and compliance. Ensures transparent tax reporting and compliance with FBR regulations. Calculation of tax fraction. The formula for tax fraction is tax fraction is equal to sales tax rate divided by 100 plus sales tax rate. 4. Sales tax rate is equal to 17%. Tax fraction is equal to 17 divided by 100 plus 17. The result is 0.1453. This means that 14.53% of the tax-inclusive price is the sales tax component. Small diamond example. Application. If the tax-inclusive price of an item is 117,000 rupees, then the sales tax amount is sales tax is equal to 117,000 multiplied by 0.1453. The answer is 17,000. And the net price before tax is 117,000 minus 17,000 is equal to 100,000 rupees.